class 3rd C, subject GSC, date is 30/9/2020. We are studying lesson 11, light and sound. We are studying lesson 11, light and sound. Last time we have studied in this lesson pre-reading questions. In pre-reading questions we have studied, are you able to see in a dark room? No, we cannot able to see the dark room. Do you know some animals that can see in the dark? Yes, we know that some animals can see in the dark. You know, owl. Best example, that is owl, which can see in the night. Can you name some things that give you light? Can you name some things that give you light? Yes, lighted, illuminated bulb, lighted candles, sun, tube light. These are the sources of light that can give us the light. So aim we have discussed to tell the children about the light and the sound. These are two forms of the energy. And we studied about the light. I told you about the light. Light is a form of energy which help us to see the object. Suppose in the room many objects are there and your friend suddenly switch off, and that's condition, there is completely darkness in your room. Then can you see the object? No, you cannot see the object. Yet all the things are available, but what is not there? Light is not there, so we cannot see the object in the room. And when our friend switch on, bulb starts glowing, emits light, and then we can see the objects in the room. So light is a form of energy which help us to see the objects. Light enables us to see things around us. It does not have weight or take up space. Light has no weight and it is a form of energy. Also, I told you about the sun is a natural source of the energy. Sunlight makes the day bright. We use the sunlight to see the things. Candles, light bulbs are some man-made sources of the light. Two types of sources are there, lights. One is natural sources and other the artificial sources. There are two sources of light. One is natural source of light and other is artificial source of the light. We know some natural source of light as sun, the natural source of the light. You also know glowworms. These are also natural sources of the light. And some other animals, a few animals, other animals are there, but that is bioluminescence. They are also able to emit the light. So these are natural sources of light. While there are large number of the man-made sources of light. You know, bulb, tube light, candle, etc. These are the man-made sources of light. So thus we get light from natural sources and man-made sources. The objects that give out light of their own are called luminous objects. We know some luminous objects. The objects that give out light of their own are called as the luminous objects. Luminous object example: sun, glowing bulb, enlightened candles. These are the sources of the light, or these are the luminous objects. These are the luminous objects. And other examples: table, stone, book, shirt, bread do not give out light. These objects are called as the non-luminous objects. So the objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. So you know there are some luminous objects and the non-luminous objects. So you are also familiar to shadow. When you stand in the field, you can see out the shadow. You also seen the shadow of the tree, shadow of the house, shadow of the your shadow, shadow of the vehicles. So many shadow I have seen. So light is needed to form a shadow. Shadow is formed only day. Night, shadow may not form. Night means absence of light. Night means absence of light. In absence of light, there is no shadow. So shadow is formed only in the presence of light. Something must block the light to form a shadow. Something must block the light to form a shadow. Our body also blocks light and forms a shadow. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. Shadow is formed to opposite side of the source of the light. The shadow is smallest at the noon. The shadow is smallest at the noon, and it is the large during morning and the evening time. Now next about the sound. About the sound. Sound is a form of like light. Sound is also a form of energy. Sound is also a form of energy. It is all around us. Without sound, one cannot talk, listen to music, or sing a song. We hear sounds all the time. We hear the sound all the time. There is no need of light. Only medium is needed. Only medium is needed. So sound is a form of energy. It is all around us. Without sound, One cannot talk, listen to music, or sing a song. We hear sounds all the time. How is sound made? How is sound made? When we talk, we make sound. Our tongue helps us to make sound. Our tongue helps us to make sound. Sounds are also made by other things. When we are hitting the bells, school bell, your favorite school bell, that produces the sound. Horn of motors also producing the sound. Birds also producing the sound. We see around many sources producing the sound. So sounds are also made by other things. The wind makes sound. The wind makes sound. Animals make different kinds of the sounds. Cars and machines make sounds too. Almost everything around us creates sound. It's important thing. Almost everything around us creates sound. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. Vibration is necessary. When an object vibrates, it makes sound.